containment measures, let's talk about the vaccination debate. KCS lawmaker Dr. Swarup Mishra and his KO South counterpart Daniel Rono have weighed in on the raging debate on vaccinations in the country. According to Mishra, the AstraZeneca vaccine is safe as it has been certified for use by the government and Ministry of Health and should not be politicized. Rono, on the other hand, has questioned why the Russian vaccine has been banned for being associated with certain individuals.
Please, vaccination is ready. Don't go by rumors. The government of Kenya, they have done the due diligence with the Ministry of Health, with experts, with the Medical Practice and Dentist Board, and it is bilateral. A country called India, by the grace of God, other European countries, they all are sat together, and it is very, very nice and good, and what they call it, professionally made. By the way, no government will cheat you. But please, if you go privately, you think about it, how, but it is banned now. I have no comments, but kindly, my request, if you want vaccination, please go for it, because without vaccination, when you suffer vulnerable, nobody will assist you. And please follow the instruction of the Ministry of Health of Republic of Kenya and the directive of our President.
Well, that leads to a short commercial break here on News Desk. We still